Okay, so we will today make a very delicious dish called Hilsha fish vapa. And for that you need some pieces of fresh Hilsha fish with mustard oil, chili, turmeric and mustard powder. That is also essential. So I will put this all this because I will make it in the micro oven inside this micro oven bowl, and after that I will cook in the micro oven. Okay, so you will need a bit of turmeric to mix on this each of these fish, and then you will need a bit of salt to mix it up also. So give some salt to mix it nicely. So in this way, just mix up nicely this salt and this turmeric with each of the piece of these fish. Then you have to give some oil, mustard oil. So I will give some this mustard powder and then of course mustard oil to sufficient amount to mix it nicely. So you just have to mix it up nicely, whole ingredient very nicely. You have to mix it up. So in this way you have to put this all of them. As I love a bit of hot, so I just mixing up a lot of chilies, but it depends upon you how much chili you want. Just keep this and then cover this pot with a cling film and put in the micro oven. Time to check. So you have to take out and then you have to uncover, and you have to roll it over. This fish is almost, you can see, but it is very hot. So it's very careful about it. See, they are almost ready. We will put it for 2.5 minutes to complete the cooking.